Welcome to Part 2 of Colors Vocabulary. 11. Gray. Meaning, a color between black and white. Example: the elephant is gray. Synonyms: gray, ash. Antonyms: black, white. 12. Silver. Meaning, a shiny gray color like the metal silver. Example: her necklace is silver. Synonyms: metallic silver. Antonyms: gold. 13. Gold. Meaning, a shiny yellow color like gold. Example: he is wearing a gold watch. Synonyms: golden. Antonyms: silver. 14. Beige. Meaning, a light brown color. Example: the sofa is beige. Synonyms: cream, tan. Antonyms: dark brown. 15. Navy. Meaning, a very dark shade of blue. Example: he is wearing a navy suit. Synonyms: navy blue. Antonyms: sky blue. 16. Sky blue. Meaning, a light blue color like the daytime sky. Example: the walls are sky blue. Synonyms: light blue, baby blue. Antonyms: navy. 17. Dark green. Meaning, a deep shade of green. Example: the forest looks dark green. Synonyms: forest green. Antonyms: light green. 18. Light green. Meaning, a pale shade of green. Example: she painted the room light green. Synonyms: pale green. Antonyms: dark green. 19. Dark blue. Meaning, a deep shade of blue. Example: his backpack is dark blue. Synonyms: navy blue. Antonyms: light blue. 20. Light blue. Meaning, a pale shade of blue. Example: I like light blue shirts. Synonyms: baby blue, sky blue. Antonyms: dark blue. Subscribe for Part 3. Continue learning English with AVETRA EDU.